Hi and welcome to Cakes and Conversations, and today we're gonna make meringue cookies, a very simple recipe with just 2 or maybe 3 ingredients. 4 medium size egg whites. So basically if I tell you in grams, it's gonna be 130 grams of egg whites, and sugar is almost 230 grams. Okay, I'm gonna use a double boiler method because I find that very stable and easy. I'm gonna add a little bit of vinegar to this, just like your cream of tartar gives a stabilizing agent to the eggs. So here I've added all the ingredients and I'm just taking this to a double boiler. Keep continuously whisking on a very low flame because your eggs will start cooking otherwise. You need to whisk until your sugar is completely dissolved and then move it off flame, and then we're going to whip it. We're just going to dissolve the sugar. You will get to know because if you see there are sugar particles on the wall, once the sugar starts dissolving, it will not be there on the sides, or you can also touch and feel it with your fingers. So I have taken it off flame. Now you can see that it's like little frothy, and I'm now going to whisk it. Start whisking it with the hand. Don't let the water into it. At this stage, if you want, you can add a bit of vanilla, but I'm not adding anything. We beat it to stiff peaks. If you see, it's nice and glossy, but it is still soft peaks. It's not stiff peaks. So we'll continue more, but try not to overbeat them. At this stage, it is still a little soft peaks, but it is sticky and it is kind of thick and glossy. This stage is perfect when you're making baked Alaska, or you want to put it on your lemon meringue cupcakes and torch it. This is a perfect stage, but I'm gonna go a bit further because I need to pipe and I need the design. If you see, the design is staying, but not too much. If you see, it's holding its peak. It's not soft peak, but it's holding its peak, and the design also is staying. So I've here prepared my sheet and the bag with the colors. I'm gonna put white color, and then I'm gonna show how I'm gonna do the piping. So my piping bag is prepared with the color, 3-tone color, and my oven is preheating at this time at the very lowest degree temperature, which is 100. In fact, you can keep it at 90. Let's do doing the sides first. You can cover the portions that are not joined. Don't get worried about this kind of peak, because you are gonna squish it little and keep inserting your skewer by twisting it. That's it. So I've got some baby pink or light pink. So this is what I've done. Okay, it's for the cake decoration. You can sprinkle a little bit of gold on it, like the shimmery gold, but I'm leaving it plain. I'll show you how it looks after it's baked. There is no nozzle in this. Now I'm doing plain ones. Let's put the skewers. As I told you, always rotate. You have to rotate, press, rotate. Like I told you, you can put gold dust. You can see I've put a little bit just for the shine. So these are done after baking. A few of them cracked, but you can just keep it. Like, I'm gonna throw this. This was like a sloppy one. See, like if we twist the stick, it does not show at the back. The plain ones are done, and if you see like nice gold finish that they have. I got a chance to make this tutorial for you guys because of my friend. That's the cake made by her. Thank you so much for watching.